Okay, here we are showing how to assemble the 100 gigabit switch air vent to the switch. We're going to do two methods, one for the upper switch and one for the lower switch. And the way we're going to do it, it will leave a gap, a bigger gap to allow an average person's hand to get in there to pull the power plugs if that's necessary. The way that we achieve that is we install one of the vents normal, and then the other one we install upside down. This is how the vent comes packaged. You got the vent itself. Some rails, front brackets, your mounting hardware for the rack, and screws for mounting the rack to mounting the switch to the rack, and then screws that connect the hardware to the mounting hardware to the switch itself. First thing we have to do is remove this bracket here. I guess it's a support bracket, but we need to open that up in order to allow the switch fans to be able to get air out of the through the vent. We're just using a standard screwdriver that's small enough to fit these screws on the side, and there's 4 screws on each side. And we just remove this bracket. Collect our screws and put them away. We'll now loosen the front screws to remove the front of the vent. Then we will bring in our SN3700C switch. We'll slide the bracket underneath. So there's a stud here. It will slide into place into the notch. And then we push the vent forward. And there should be no gap here. This will be the bottom switch, because the tray will be here, and then our cover will go in this way, and then we'll actually reverse this process for the top switch. So when we put the cover of the switch duct back in, it will go upside down. So that would leave you a 2U gap there to get your hands in there to reach these plugs and unplug it. This is what it looks like from the back. And it's in place. And we'll use these 4 screws we'll use 3 screws on each side of the rails to mount them. This will go like that. And 1 screw here. Like that. And then we will repeat the process on the other side.